Follow along a spiritual journey that lasted 40 years in author Kogutek's A Change of Habit, a spiritual journey from Sister Mary Kateri to Sister Mary Vodka. Raised in a strict Catholic environment, Patty tells the story of becoming a guilt sponge, making ill-fated decisions based on fear, guilt, and pleasing authority. Failing to find happiness after 7 years in the convent, followed by a 12-year unfulfilling marriage, Patty travels a long road before finally understanding how to live life for herself. Now she relates her story of personal reinvention and empowerment as she shares her 7 secrets to guilt-free living, proving it's never too late to make yourself happy.